Hello girlies, so come Survivor any day with me, and it's going to be pretty aesthetic, so the video would be worth watching. And my parcels arrived after so long, and I was so excited. I swear I am not like studying for the video. I just made a clip, I don't know. And yeah, the long video is uploaded on the channel. And my table was kind of messy, so don't judge it. And then I went out and sort of nothing else. I just bought some snacks. I recorded this video quite a while ago, and now I'm editing it, and my mouth is literally watering. Guys, I saw an ambulance so close for the first time. Like, it was 2 to 3 hand difference between the ambulance and me. And that was all. Bye bye. Take care.